Good morning, first graders. Today is Tuesday, May 19th. If you work with an academic specialist for reading, you have a live lesson at 10:30. I'll be available for office hours from 11:30 till 12. I miss you all so much, but I'm so proud of you for working so hard on your learning, even though it's really different than usual. You guys are amazing. Love, Mr. Murray. For your greeting today, you can share a hug with whoever you like. For sharing, comment on our post with an answer to this question. What place or store are you most excited about opening up? As you know, most things have been closed lately due to the coronavirus. So what are you excited about for opening up again? And lastly, for your activity, I want you to send in a video that's between 5 to 10 seconds long of you dancing. So ask a brother, sister, mom, dad, whoever you're with, to take a video of you on your iPad dancing, and it should only be 5 to 10 seconds long. Okay, I'm going to use it for a secret project, so I'd really like all of you to send in a dancing video. If you really are feeling shy and you don't want to dance, just send in a picture of yourself striking whatever pose you like. Okay, I can't wait to see what you guys turn in. Have an amazing day of learning.